Stand mixers have progressed over the years in terms of power, features, and accessories. It is an efficient and highly versatile appliance that can divide tasks from whipping cream and beating eggs to making pasta and spiralizing vegetables. So to help you find the best, we have listed the top 5 of the best stand mixers in 2022 to find the right one for your needs and budget. So without any further ado, let's get started. Best overall, KitchenAid Artisan. Let's begin with the KitchenAid Artisan. KitchenAid stand mixers have been in existence for more than 100 years that are covered by both professional bakers and serious home bakers. You can choose from over 20 different colors, and when it comes to performance, it's included 5-quart stainless steel bowl with a comfortable handle that has enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. Featuring a 59-point planetary mixing action means it offers 59 touch points per rotation around the bowl for thorough ingredient incorporation. And with about 10 speeds, this stand mixer can quickly become your kitchen's culinary center as you can mix, knead, and whip ingredients with ease. For further versatility, its power hub fits optional attachments from food grinders to pasta makers and more. And finally, moving on to its tilt head design. It will allow clear access to the bowl, an attached beater, or accessory so you can easily add ingredients for a recipe, while locking the head into place during operation can keep the beater to bowl contact close and efficient. Best budget, Hamilton Beach 63,325. Next is Hamilton Beach 63,325. These Hamilton Beach stand mixers can save you time and energy while providing outstanding baking results. It is the best budget option on our list. By design, this is a compact appliance that might even store in a kitchen cabinet. Along with being small in size, it also comes lightweight, making it easy to move when you need to store it. For performance, it has 6 speed settings that will let you go from slow stir to a fast whip with precise control at each level. And featuring special fold settings means it will allow you to gently add ingredients without overmixing. Since it has a tilt-up head, you will get optimal bowl access to easily add ingredients and quickly change attachments. And finally, for mixing versatility, it includes dough hook, whisk, and flat beater. All these 3 attachments are dishwasher safe too. Best for small spaces, KitchenAid KSM 3311 XTB. Next up, we have the KitchenAid KSM 3311 XTB. This Artisan mini stand mixer can make up to 5 dozen cookies in a single batch, with the same power as the classic KitchenAid stand mixer, while being 20% smaller, 25% lighter, and fitting all attachments. Available with colors from bold to understated, there will always be a mini to match both your kitchen and your style. Featuring 10 optimized speeds, it is powerful enough for nearly any task or recipe, whether you're stirring wet and dry ingredients together, kneading bread dough, or whipping cream. Its powerful hub can turn your stand mixer into a culinary center. With more than 10 optional attachments, you can use the power of your stand mixer to help you make pasta from scratch, spiralize zucchini, and much more. And featuring a tilt head design, it will allow clear access to the bowl and attached beater, or accessory to easily add ingredients for a recipe, while locking the head into place during operation can keep the beater to bowl contact close and efficient. Best high-end, Wolf Gourmet. Next is Wolf Gourmet. This Wolf Gourmet high-performance stand mixer is a high-end mixer that handles sticky doughs in both large and small quantities. By design, it looks like a heavy-duty machine with a serious 7-quart bowl and large attachments to match. And having a proprietary design, it provides effortless bowl adjustment and optimum stability. An easy turn of the handle can lift the bowl up and lock it into the mixing position. And for controls, it has a variable infinite speed dial that offers precision control for every recipe. Using the pulse function, you can gently incorporate ingredients into your mixture. And finally, moving on to its stainless steel bowl is large enough to mix dough for your favorite cookie recipe, trays of fresh focaccia, or pans of birthday cake batter, while its large handle aids in transporting heavy batches. Best bowl lift, KitchenAid Pro. Lastly, we have the KitchenAid Pro. This KitchenAid Pro line stand mixer is designed to take on serious tasks with its 7-quart and sturdy bowl lift design. With a professional bowl lift design, it offers sturdy bowl support and stability when mixing heavy ingredients or large batches. And for raising the bowl, its lever can smoothly raise the mixing bowl into position for efficient beater-to-bowl contact. Its 7-quart stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle is more than enough to efficiently mix dough for up to 14 dozen cookies in a single batch. And having more than 15 optional attachments, you can use the power of your stand mixer to make fusilli pasta from scratch, shred a block of Parmesan cheese in seconds, and so much more.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.